Hello, welcome to this IIT Kanpur Next Generation Training and Research School on Python and R projects for 5G wireless technologies. I am Professor Aditya Jagannatham, a faculty member in the Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Kanpur. So, I am going to tell you briefly what this Next Generation Training and Research School is about. This comprises of two programs basically, that is the first one will comprise of Python and R projects for 5G multi-user massive and millimeter wave MIMO, and the second one will focus on Python and R programming to achieve challenging projects in NOMA, that is non-orthogonal multiple access, cognitive radio and cooperative communication. Alright. So, why Python? Again, many of you might already be familiar. Python is a very powerful programming language, very flexible, open source, and has several powerful libraries for high speed scientific computing. It is highly efficient, open source. All of you must be well familiar with Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. And R, on the other hand, is a well known software environment, very popular among statisticians for statistics, data analysis, analytics, data science, and naturally together, because 5G technology uses both, it uses heavy scientific computing, statistical analysis. So, Python and R together can form a powerful framework for the design, analysis and simulation of 5G wireless technologies, especially complex ones such as millimeter wave MIMO and massive MIMO, and this and several others such as NOMA, cooperative communication, cognitive radio. And this is what this training and research school is about, doing extensive projects in Python and R to solve challenging problems in 5G wireless technology. Let me just talk briefly about the various 5G wireless technologies, although most of you might be familiar with it. There are dominant ones are massive MIMO, which comprises of a large number of antennas at the base station, for instance, to the tune of hundreds of antennas, 400 to 500 antennas. So, naturally that means very challenging, complex. So, what are the properties, how do you do the signal processing, how do you do the beam forming, these are the challenges in massive MIMO. And naturally, if you solve these problems, you can achieve because of the large number of antennas, you can support a large number of users because of spatial multiplexing, and that implies a tremendous or ultra high capacities that these massive MIMO technology can achieve in 5G to the tune of gigabit, to the tune of tens of gigabit per second. And the other technology, that is millimeter wave, again equally fascinating and challenging. Millimeter wave has a large bandwidth that implies very high data rates. However, this is very challenging because of the large number of antennas and high propagation losses in the millimeter wave regime. So, as fascinating and as useful the technology is, it's very challenging and complex, and naturally the large number of antennas can be used for beam forming to overcome these problems to a certain extent, but that renders the signal processing complex. So, there are several interesting and fascinating challenges that need to be solved in the context of millimeter wave. That brings us to yet another very unique technology, which is NOMA, non-orthogonal multiple access. As conventionally you might be familiar, the conventional multiple access techniques are TDMA, CDMA, FDMA, which are based on OFDMA, which are based on orthogonal multiple access, and naturally they are limited in terms of the number of devices or users they can support. But NOMA, because it is non-orthogonal, can support an order of magnitude higher number of users and devices on each orthogonal resource, and therefore naturally the throughput and the connectivity is going to be much higher, and that massive connectivity is going to enable the Internet of Things in 5G. Again, cooperative communication is a paradigm where relays aid the communication between the source and the destination nodes, and this tremendously enhances the signal quality at the destination, especially when you have one or more relays. The destination can combine these signals, the signal quality is much higher, the bit error rate is much lower. This is termed as cooperative diversity, and therefore this can significantly enhance the reliability of communication, right. And the other one, the final one, last but not least, is the cognitive radio, which is essentially a paradigm which is born out of the fact that the static spectrum allocation that is currently in use is highly inefficient and it leads to spectral congestion. Therefore, to eliminate this, cognitive radio can eliminate a few secondary users to opportunistically access these unused spectral bands, and thereby significantly enhancing the efficiency of spectrum utilization, but that requires the design of efficient and optimal transceivers, especially both sense and then access the spectrum in such a fashion as to not cause the interference, or in such a fashion as to suppress the interference. So, software defined radio is an interesting paradigm, and optimization and optimal transceiver design naturally is very important, along with spectrum sensing is very important for a cognitive radio. And these things together come to make up 5G wireless technology, and especially 5G wireless systems. So, some of the salient features of this training and research school is going to involve detailed theory modules, but we will not just stop with theory. It is also going to have the key focus is on training in Python and R to do detailed projects in Python and R to support the theory modules, as well as introduce all the participants to extensive modules, especially extensive learning in Python and R, so that they become familiar with scientific computing and implementing system design, optimization, signal processing in Python and via 5G technology projects, solving complex problems in millimeter wave technology, MIMO, massive MIMO, NOMA, cooperative and cognitive radio. Therefore, this will also involve extensive 5G based Python and R projects, and also will be complemented by expert guest lectures from industry and academia on 5G technology. Alright. So, more information, schedule, topics and complete list of Python and R projects is available at the website below. So, thank you very much, and please do join us in the training school. Thank you.